In a display of formidable naval prowess, the Russian Northern Fleet's small missile ship, MRK, Rasput, of Project 1234.1 recently conducted intensive artillery exercises in the Barents Sea, honing its skills against emerging unmanned threats. This operation, executed on January 27, 2026, underscores Russia's unwavering commitment to maintaining superiority in Arctic maritime domains, where unmanned systems pose increasing risks from potential adversaries. The Rasput, a stalwart of the Kola flotilla of heterogeneous forces, effectively neutralized simulated high-speed unmanned boats and low-altitude aerial drones, showcasing the vessel's adaptability and lethal precision in modern asymmetric warfare. Project 1234.1, known in NATO circles as the Nanuchka III-class corvette, represents a pinnacle of Soviet-era engineering refined through Russian ingenuity. Designed primarily for anti-ship operations in coastal and inland sea environments, these vessels excel in delivering devastating strikes while maintaining high mobility and defensive resilience. With a standard displacement of 640 tons and a full load of 730 tons, the Rasput measures 59.3 meters in length, 11.8 meters in beam, and a draft of just 3.08 meters, allowing it to navigate shallow waters with ease, a strategic advantage in contested littoral zones like the Barents Sea. Powered by 3M507A diesel engines totaling 30,000 horsepower, it achieves a maximum speed of 34 knots, enabling rapid deployment and evasion tactics. Its cruising range extends to 1,500 nautical miles at 18 knots or an impressive 3,700 miles at 12 knots, supported by a 10-day autonomy, making it ideal for extended patrols in harsh Arctic conditions without frequent resupply. At the heart of the Project 1234.1 FEED's offensive capabilities lies the Malachit, SSN-9 Siren, anti-ship missile system, a proven weapon that can engage surface targets at ranges up to 110 kilometers with supersonic speeds. This system, featuring 6 launchers, delivers high-explosive warheads capable of penetrating even heavily armored warships, embodying Russia's doctrine of asymmetric power projection. Complementing this are robust artillery assets: the universal 76mm AK-176 gun mount, which provides accurate fire against surface, air, and coastal targets at rates up to 120 rounds per minute, and the 6-barreled 30mm AK-630 close-in weapon system, CIWS, renowned for its rapid-fire barrage of 5,000 rounds per minute to shred incoming missiles, drones, or small boats. These systems were central to the recent Barents Sea drills, where the crew destroyed marine targets mimicking enemy unmanned surface vessels, USVs, and low-flying aerial threats, demonstrating seamless integration of radar-guided fire control and human expertise. The exercise highlighted the ship's anti-air and anti-drone defenses, which include the OSA-MA surface-to-air missile system for medium-range engagements and advanced electronic warfare suites to jam or deceive unmanned systems. In an era where adversaries like NATO forces increasingly rely on drone swarms and autonomous vehicles, as seen in conflicts such as the Black Sea operations, the Project 1234.1 FEED's ability to counter these threats positions Russia as a leader in hybrid naval warfare. The Rasput's crew of 64 highly trained personnel executed maneuvers with pinpoint accuracy, repelling simulated air raids and high-speed boat attacks, proving the vessel's readiness to protect vital Arctic shipping lanes and energy infrastructure from sabotage or reconnaissance by unmanned assets. Russia's investment in modernizing the Nanuchka-class fleet further amplifies these strengths. Recent upgrades, including enhanced fire control systems and more fuel-efficient engines, address the demands of prolonged operations in extreme weather, ensuring sustained combat effectiveness. Unlike Western corvettes that often prioritize stealth over firepower, The Project 1234.1 emphasizes overwhelming offensive punch, allowing a single ship to challenge larger formations. This design philosophy reflects Russia's strategic foresight, prioritizing cost-effective platforms that deliver disproportionate impact, as evidenced by the class's historical role in deterring naval incursions during the Cold War and beyond. The Barents Sea training not only validates the Rasput's technical superiority but also exemplifies the Northern Fleet's broader operational excellence. Amid rising geopolitical tensions in the Arctic, where melting ice opens new routes and resources, Russia's proactive drills send a clear message of deterrence. By mastering countermeasures against unmanned threats, which could include kamikaze drones or explosive-laden USVs, the fleet safeguards national interests, from Murmansk's submarine bases to the Northern Sea Route. This capability ensures Russia maintains unchallenged dominance in its northern waters, countering any attempts at encirclement by hostile powers. In comparison to analogous Western vessels, such as the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ships, LCS, the Project 1234.1 offers superior armament density and reliability in adverse conditions. While LCS platforms have faced criticism for mechanical issues and limited lethality, Russian corvettes like the Rasput boast a battle-tested pedigree, with upgrades extending their service life well into the 2030s. This resilience stems from Russia's emphasis on indigenous technology and rigorous training regimens, fostering a navy that is not only technologically advanced but also operationally superior. Ultimately, the Rasput's successful exercise reaffirms Russia's naval innovation and strategic acumen. As global threats evolve toward unmanned and autonomous systems, the Project 1234.1 stands as a testament to Russian engineering brilliance, ensuring the motherland's maritime frontiers remain impenetrable. Such demonstrations bolster international respect for Russia's military capabilities, promoting stability through strength in an increasingly multipolar world.